So, children, it is nice to be back to you all. Today, we are going to start with a very common topic, subject verb agreement. After going through your assignments on editing and omission, I found that there are many silly mistakes which most probably you have done carelessly and without knowing also it is highly possible. Maybe you didn't know how to solve it, and so I would like to take this whole editing and omission part by part, and the first part that I would like to discuss today is on subject verb agreement, right? So though we have done it before in our last classes, still I would like to have a revision with you so that you become more confident on this particular topic, and that will help you a lot to score in your editing and omission. So what is singular subject taking in when we are writing a proper sentence? Singular subjects always take in singular verbs. Now I am going to discuss the rules. With the rules you will be becoming more confident and you will gain obviously better expertise in solving this 4 marks question. Now singular subjects, rule number 1, always take in singular verbs. Every boy has been given a new book. Every boy here is taken as singular, not that the whole group of boys or a whole class of boys. Every boy is considered as individual or singular subject. Everybody is considered as singular subject and singular verb. In the previous sentence also you can see singular verb has been used. What has been used? Has. Has is a singular subject. Now in the second sentence we find everybody is allowed to go inside. Everybody is taken as a singular subject, and that is why singular verb has to be used, and we have continued with is. Everyone was tired after the match. So here again singular subject everyone. We are not taking the whole crowd together. Everyone means every single person was tired after the match. Was is a singular verb. Everyone does not like eating fruits. Everyone is again singular subject here, and that is why we have to take in singular verb does. So we move on and we find that there is a continuation. Singular subjects take singular verbs. Each of the girls was given a new dress. Each is again singular, and so the verb is was. Each of the girls has to climb up. Each is again singular. Each of the girls, every single of the girls has to climb up. Each of the girls is carrying a red bag. Each of the group of girls, each girl is carrying a red bag. No one is allowed to enter the hall. No one, not a single person is allowed. Is a singular subject. None of the girls has brought an umbrella. None is again, not a single girl has brought an umbrella. Nobody was there in the room. Nobody, not a single person was there in the room. And we move on. Somebody is hiding behind the door. Somebody is again singular. So is also singular. Singular subjects taken singular verbs. Someone has taken my new pen. Someone was caught cheating in the exam. Neither of the boys, neither means any one of the boys, neither always goes with pair. Of the two boys, not a single boy has a new bag. Either of the girls can participate. Either always takes in pairs. So similarly, any one of the girls can participate. Pair means two children, two girls, two boys, two men, like that. Pairs means, a pair means two, right? So now we are moving on to the next portion. Uncountable nouns take singular verbs. the information has been given to the public. Information is uncountable because information doesn't have its plural form. No S is added to the plural form of information. And it is taking in singular verb, that is has. News also doesn't have any plural form. So news goes with singular verb, that is. So these are all forms of uncountable nouns. Information, news. The dust on the table needs to be cleaned off. Dust is uncountable. On the table, needs is a main verb, but it is taking in S to become a singular verb. Any main verb, when S is added to the main verb, it becomes a singular verb. Without S, it becomes a plural verb. So the dust on the table needs to be cleaned off. So uncountable noun, dust, is taking in singular verb. There is no milk left in the jug. There is singular verb. No milk. Milk is uncountable. Left in the jug. There was no ice in the refrigerator. Was is singular verb. Ice is uncountable noun. And so uncountable nouns, we have to remember, always take in singular verbs. Now we are going to plural subjects. Plural subjects always take plural verbs. The man and the boy have gone home together. The man and the boy, together they become plural, and it is taking in plural verb have. The children are playing happily in the park. Children, the word is a plural word, and so it is taking in plural verb. They need a good treat. They becomes plural. They here is plural subject. The word they here in this sentence is a plural subject. So it will take in plural verb need. And I have already explained in my previous portion that any main verb without S becomes a plural verb. Here need is the main verb, and without S it becomes a plural verb. Teachers. Teachers is a plural word. So it will take in plural verb without S. Teachers always teach their best. Both the boys become plural, and that is why plural verb have is taken. Both the boys have been punished. Many boys play football. So here boys, it is a plural word. So that is why it is taking in plural verb play. Right? So I hope this portion is also clear. We move. And with that, we have to conclude this topic. Subject-verb agreement. I believe the whole thing is better than before, and I would like to see at least some better performance in your assignments right now. Right? Thank you. Wish you a nice day. If you have any doubts, please do connect at the earliest. Right? Be happy, children. We are all missing you.